Welcome to Techmates. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track Shein Refund without your card. This guide will take less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, launch your Shein application and then get logged into your account. Now, in order to view your orders, select Me section and you will see My Orders. Select View All. As you do that, you will see all the orders that you have placed till date. And you can also select Shipped or Processing to get a refund of any order. Now, in my case, I have not placed any order, but if you have placed any, you will see your order right here, and you will also see the option of refund, and you have to tap onto it. By some reasons, if you cannot find your order, you will also see can't find your order, self-service to find your order. Tap onto it, and in here, mention your phone number to find your order, email, or simply tracking number. And you can also talk with customer support by tapping on this headphone icon. If you have your tracking order with you, you may go ahead, type in here, and ask for help. And just like so, they will try their best to help you and get you a refund for the item that you have placed the order of. This is how you can solve your problem. If it had helped you in any ways, hit like and subscribe to our channel Techmates for daily tutorials. If you want a guaranteed answer to your question, join our membership today. Members get first priority on comments and responses. The link is right down below.